In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Zapier. So the first thing you have to do here inside Zapier, you want to go to an action, click on it, and then select ChatGPT as whatever you want to do. So here, as you can see, ChatGPT, OpenAI, you want to click on it, and then here, the action event, of course, should be the one you want. I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to do analyze text. Of course, you could use whatever you want. And then this over here is the most important part, where you have to actually connect your account or connect ChatGPT. So to connect it, click on it, and it's going to open up a separate tab here where you basically have to put in your API key, your organization ID, which is optional, and then the region as well. So right now I'm going to close this down, and then to get your API key, which you're going to need, you can do the following. Go to OpenAI, so openai.com, and then here, click on Login, top right, and click on API Platform. When you do this, you will have to log into your ChatGPT account, so the so the OpenAI account, which is basically the same account you use for ChatGPT. Then go to API Reference up top and click on it. And then from here, you want to click on where it says Organization Settings. Click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to create your API key by clicking Create New Secret Key. When you do that, give it a name. I'm going to name it Test over here. And then you have to select the project. I'm going to select the default project and click on Create Secret Key. When you do that, you'll get your secret key, copy it, and close this down. Make sure you don't share this with anyone. I'm going to remove this and delete this one right after the recording of this video. And then you want to go back to Zapier, click on Sign In over here. Again, it's going to open up this box where you have to type in your key. For me, it's this one. And then here you can put in your organization ID if you want to, and then the region should be selected. I'm just going to do the global, which is default, and click on Yes, continue to ChatGPT. And when you do this, it's going to start loading for a few seconds. And after that's done loading, you've basically successfully connected ChatGPT to Zapier, just like that. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.